What's up, beautiful subscribers? Today we're spraying copper fungicide for fire blight on the pear trees. Could be Asian pears or European pears, but they're very susceptible to fire blight. And the problem with fire blight is it spreads very fast. So you definitely want to get on top of it, spray preventatively. That's what we're doing today with copper fungicide. So copper fungicide also works on bacteria because the copper ions are toxic to the bacteria fire blight. So as it tries to spread, it'll run into this copper ion and the bacteria will die. Now, if you don't spray copper preventatively, and you can still get fire blight if you spray it preventatively, but it'll get much worse. You'll have to end up spraying streptomycin, which is not organic. This copper fungicide is organic. So if you can get out here maybe 2 times in the springtime, coat your pear trees as much as you possibly can with copper, it's going to cut back on your fire blight. Now, you don't need to know the name of the bacteria because I can't pronounce it. All you need to know is how to identify it if you have it in the tree, and then what to do about it. You're gonna see really dark, black, burnt looking areas on the branches, and you wanna get in there and cut them back 6 to 12 inches and then get them off your property. So these Asian pears here, they actually don't have any fire blight. I've been doing a good job. But if we were to walk down the other side of the farm and look at the European pears, the Bartletts, the Bosc, and the Seckles, there's definitely fire blight that I've been battling down there. And you'll see certain branches where they call it a shepherd's hook, and the whole top curls in and bends over and looks like it loses all the nutrients in the inside. So don't be afraid to get out there, spray your copper fungicide multiple times in the spring, cut back on your fire blight. Hit that like button.